Geometric Space Structures Pvt Limited is glad to present the project completed for the Parthasarathy CNC Technology Pvt Limited, located on Porachi Main Road. Total area of the project is 14,500 square feet, with a length of 220 feet, a width of 66 feet, and a height of 30 feet. The project features a specialized Type A structure that combines both the existing and proposed building. Key features and scope. Without any puncture work in the existing building, no leaks have occurred. In this case, we connected the new building to it. Industrial louvers were strategically installed to provide proper ventilation and temperature control for a comfortable working environment. An electric overhead travel crane beam was incorporated to facilitate heavy lifting and material handling operations within the structure. Double nut bolts were used in accordance with the client's special requirement. The exterior of the structure was finished with an off-white color for the sheet, giving it a clean and professional appearance. Geometric Space Structures Pvt Limited pledges to provide top-grade, functional, and visually appealing steel structures tailored to the client's needs to enhance their operational environment.